Okay, you should have said in your answers that the sun, there's not a lot of it in the winter. You could have said there's a lot in the summer, but you might have said also that it's not consistent because there's not a lot all the time. You might have said that the river is not consistent. We saw that that line went up and down a lot, and we think if there's a drought, there might not be enough river water to make that turbine in the dam actually spin. Wind, we saw, was pretty consistent. This is a pretty windy place, but we know anywhere that there's sometimes a time when there's like a day when it's not windy, even if it's a very windy location. So that's why I put this word pretty consistent. It's not 100% consistent. The one that is 100% consistent actually is the ocean. That is our most consistent one, is the ocean as an energy resource. Now, of course, all of the fossil fuels, you can just bring them in whenever you want. So I would also consider those consistent as well. Here's the energy criteria. I'm just reminding you of these before from our last one. It must be consistent for the hospital, and it has to be low air pollution because this town has a lot of people with asthma. Now you're going to look underneath this part, and we're going to start looking at a few other facts about these energy resources. Here are all the energy resources that you can choose from for Natapan. You can choose coal, natural gas, wind, wave, which would also be called tidal, solar, or hydroelectric. That's the one with the river and a dam. You can also find out some information about the cost, 400,000, 600,000, 900,000. Whoa, we're getting expensive. 900,000, $1 million, and 500,000. This is how expensive it is to build each of these. Then we figure out about the amount of air pollution. The highest is coal. It has a very, very high amount of air pollution. Then we have a medium amount with natural gas, and all of these renewable resources create no pollution. So now what you're going to do is you're going to have access to this exact form right here, and you're going to get to go back and to your tab, and you're going to try to say which kind of energy resource that Natapan should be using. And you're going to try to convince me how you know it should have that kind. Good luck. Can't wait to see you pick.